You step into the bathroom, and the mirror turns into a scoreboard. The overhead light feels sharp, and your face looks like a problem to solve. If mornings make you tense, it's not weakness. It's your nervous system reading judgment and hurry as danger. Even a few seconds of self-checking can feel like being evaluated. In lab studies, social-evaluative stress reliably spikes cortisol, so that bright mirror moment can quietly push your stress higher. Today, we'll turn that exact spot into a micro-sanctuary. Most of us blame willpower. I'm just not a morning person. But your mirror zone is often engineered like an interrogation room. Cool, blue-leaning light can crank up alertness, and it can also raise stress reactivity, including a stronger cortisol response. No wonder your body shows up braced even before coffee. We're going to swap that threat signal for a safety signal using light, shape, and color you can control in minutes. Here's the twist. The goal isn't a perfect face, it's a steadier nervous system. When your morning steps are predictable, your brain can start to treat them as rewarding, reinforcing the routine through dopamine's reward prediction signals. That's why tiny, repeatable upgrades can feel surprisingly motivating. This isn't luxury design, it's endocrine-friendly design. A mirror can become a comfort anchor you return to, not a test you dread. Let's name what your body is doing at the mirror. Under harsh light, your brain can treat your own reflection like an audience. In lab research, social-evaluative stress reliably increases cortisol. That matters because evaluation isn't only other people, it's the feeling of being judged. Now add the lighting problem. Bright, blue-enriched light can boost alertness, but it can also increase stress reactivity, including a higher cortisol response. So a cool overhead glare can push your system into perform mode. Warm, face-level vertical light does the opposite. It reduces shadows and lowers threat scanning. Then we use design to make safety predictable. Rounded trays, curved edges, and simple symmetry reduce visual friction and decision fatigue. Keep a calm palette nearby. Muted clay, warm off-white, soft sage. When you repeat the same gentle steps daily, dopamine helps reinforce the cue and routine pattern, making it feel easier over time. The old belief is, I need harsher light to fix myself faster. The reality is, harsh, evaluative moments can act like a mini stress test. In controlled lab research, social-evaluative stress reliably increases cortisol. So if your mirror feels like judgment, your body may brace before your day even starts. The old setup is overhead, blue-leaning glare that screams, wake up and perform. The verified reality is that bright, blue-enriched light can raise alertness and also increase stress reactivity, including cortisol response. Try warm, dimmable vertical lights at face level instead. It softens shadows, so your brain stops scanning for what's wrong. The old routine is random, cluttered, and decision-heavy, so you start the day already behind. The new reality is predictable. One rounded tray, a few items, spaced symmetrically, in clay, warm off-white, or soft sage. When the cue and steps repeat, dopamine helps reinforce the pattern, making it feel easier and more rewarding. You're not becoming disciplined, you're becoming supported. Tomorrow morning, don't try to fix your face first. Fix the signal your mirror sends your nervous system. Swap the overhead glare for warm, dimmable, face-level vertical light because blue bright light can raise stress reactivity and cortisol response. Keep one rounded tray, a few essentials, and calm spacing in muted clay, warm off-white or soft sage, so your eyes stop scanning for threats. Then repeat the same 3 steps daily, because predictable routines get reinforced through dopamine's reward prediction signals. And if the mirror still feels like judgment, remember, evaluative stress reliably raises cortisol in lab studies, so you're not too sensitive, you're human. Tonight, take 2 minutes and set it up like a tiny altar for your morning self. Choose one cue you'll see first, soft light, a centered tray, or a single calming scent, and let that be your I'm safe switch. If you try this for 7 mornings, notice what changes: your shoulders, your breath, your inner voice. Come back and tell me which small move lowered your tension the most, and we'll build your next micro sanctuary together.